am Ridwan bin Mansur and my matric number is 2280201. Today I will present about housefly. That's
Okay, first I want to present about describe, reply the selected species and the source of the egg. For species this description housefly, for order is Diptera, family of Musida, Polomosaurus undergoing complete metamorphosis. For cosmopolitan insect that is closely associated with human habit. Adaptability to a wide range of environment. And for the source of the egg, like many other insects, housefly go through multiple phases in their life cycle. The egg, larva, pupa, and adults. Usually, the adult female housefly is the source of housefly egg. Houseflies lay their egg in organic debris that has decomposed, such as animal feces, compost, and rubbish. For second slide is degree of sculpturing and ornamentation. The egg of housefly are tiny, oval shaped, and white. The housefly has a diameter of 1.2 millimeters, able to deposit between 75 and 158. The typical location of housefly egg lays a dam of decomposing organic materials. Domestic flies it hatches in 8 to 20 hours. And for patterns of oviposition, first oviposition patterns, housefly lay egg in batches not singly. Female can lay multiple batches during their lifespan. Each batch consists of 75 to 150 eggs. For reproductive strategy, batch laying maximum size of spring survival. Suited for environments with decaying organic material and insurance for abundance of food for developing larvae. Okay, for the next slide is ancillary structure. No anchor of clothes, specialized features like clothes or anchor are absent from housefly egg. 2. Moist environment preference. Usually there is egg are placed in organic waste that has decomposed or is damp. Environment as a support. The lack of its distinct structure implies that during incubation, support and protection are obtained from the surrounding environment. And number 4, conducive incubation environment. The substrate where the egg are placed in a dam, which create the perfect environment for the developing larvae that emerge later. Now we go to the morphology of housefly. First, egg. The egg have an oval shape, a wide and around 1.2 millimeters in length. For location, decomposing organic debris such as manure, trash, or other waste. Floating material is where female housefly usually lay the egg. And then we go to the larva. The larva stage is characterized by a tapering body and a soft, legless feeding hook in its anterior mouth. For size, maggots grow rapidly, reaching size of 8 to 12 mm in length. For the color, initially they are creamy white and later turn to a pale yellow as they mature. For habits, larvae aid in the decomposition process by feeding on garbage and organic material that has desired. For pupa appearance, the larva develops into a pupa, which is housed in puparium that is reddish brown. The ragged puparium shuts the growing pupa. For the size, the pupa is about 8 mm in length. For location, pupation frequently takes place away from the larva feeding location in a dry especially dark area. For adults, appearance, the mature housefly is carriage black in color and measures 6 to 7 mm in length. For body segment, the adult fly has three main body segments, which is head, thorax, and abdomen. For head, contain compounds eyes, antenna, and mouth parts for feeding. And then for abdomen, contain reproductive organ and digestive system. For wings, housefly have two functional wings used for flight. For mouth part, the adult housefly has spongy mouth part for feeding and liquid substance. Lifespan, adult housefly live for approximately 15 to 25 days. And the last slide is biodiversity and ecosystem. First, egg stage. Egg from housefly don't feed adult female fly, lay them in apparentite organic debris including trash, mature or decomposing food. Number 2, larva stage or maggot. The housefly feeding stage is represented by maggots. They devour anything that decomposes, including food scrap, animal feces, and other organic stuff. Their mouths are designed to shed and rest the organic matter, and they consume the nutrients and become liquid during the decomposition process. Number 3, pupa stage. Housefly do not feed while they are pupa. Within the safe puparium, that larva undergoes metamorphosis into an adult fly, putting the pupa in a dormant stage. And lastly, number 4, adult stage. The main food source of adult housefly is liquids that take up nourishment with their sponge mouthpart. Housefly utilize their mouthparts that resemble sponge to suck up that liquid fluid, but after regurgitating saliva into solid food to predicate it. That's all. Thank you.